हेलो दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। और आज हम यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं आईपीएल 2020 के फुल एनालिसिस के साथ। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कि ये आईपीएल हमारे पिछले सारे आईपीएल से कितना अलग होगा और किन किन चीज़ों का इफ़ेक्ट हमारे खिलाड़ियों और मैचेस पर पड़ेंगे। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिए, और डिस्कशन अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल। थैंक यू।
Let me start. If you look at this IPL, it's different from other IPL because entire matches will be played in UAE, and see, we have played similar thing in 2009 where entire matches were shifted to South Africa. और 2014 में से कुछ मैचेस यूएई में हुए थे, बट इस बार पूरा का पूरा यूएई में होगा। एंड साउथ अफ्रीका पिचेस आर वेरी सूटेड फॉर बैटिंग। ओके, हार्ड हिटिंग पिचेस रहता है, बॉल आता है बैट पे और हार्ड स्ट्रोक वर्किंग के लिए अच्छा है। बट यूएई में क्या ना, इनिशियली देयर विल बी सम स्लो बाउंस विल बी देयर, स्लोनेस ऑफ द पिच विल बी देयर, एंड वी विल सी हाउ इट डिटोरिएट्स, एंड देन फर्दर इट विल बिकम मच मोर टर्निंग। ओके, सो एक चीज है कि बहुत ये है कि हम लोग का जो बैट्समैन लोग हैं, हार्ड हिटिंग बैट्समैन, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इंडियन टीम्स के रोहित शर्मा, केएल राहुल, if the matches would have been played in India, probably they would have batted slightly lower and controlled the batting lineup altogether. But now they will most likely open because they want to make most of the bowling attack when the ball is coming to their bat. वो एक मेजर चेंजेस होगा। स्पिनर जो है, एंड टीम्स माइट ओपन विद स्पिन, विच आईपीएल में कुछ टीम करते थे लेकिन बाकी टीम नहीं करते थे अभी इस बार। लेकिन मेरे को लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे टीम मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दे विल ओपन विद स्पिन। तो स्पिन बॉलिंग ओवर्स जो है, मेरे हिसाब से नॉर्मली इन ए क्रिकेट मैच इट वेरीज फ्रॉम 8 overs to 6 overs, right? But इस बार शायद it will vary from 8 to 10 overs. Spin bowling which will happen for each of the innings. So that will, where the spin attack has much more variety, that will have much more impact in this IPL.
And to just add to that point, I think IPL is different, of course. It is under the cloud of COVID pandemic. The viewership, you won't have filled stadiums like you are used to seeing in IPL. TV viewership is obviously very important. It's going to be, the matches are going to be played during the time that we in India can watch. But I think coming to your point on spin bowling, it's spin bowling and also the bowlers who can take pace off the ball that will play a very key role in this tournament. Because if you have actually express pace, you bowl in express pace, then the batsman, it makes it all the more actually easier for the batsman to stroke. Stroke making will become easier. So people who have variation, bowlers who have variations, who can actually cut down on their pace, who can vary the pace, more importantly, along with spin obviously, will play key roles. And my gut feel is 140 to 150 will be it's actually not going to be at par. I think it's going to be much more than actually at par. 150 will be above par.
160 I'll tell you is a par score.
150 will be 150 will be winnable.
Par is 160, 150 is a par score. The other point is that, see, most of the teams, when they select the teams or they add they buy other players, they normally do it for their home ground, because home ground is where they play half of the matches. And right. they obviously select the team as per their home ground. But if you look at it in this IPL, India, when IPL is played in India, तो उसमें लगभग 8 ग्राउंड तो होम ग्राउंड होता है, उसके बाद इंदौर जुड़ जाता है, तुम्हारा अहमदाबाद जुड़ जाता है, रायपुर जुड़ जाता है, रांची जुड़ जाता है, कटक भी जुड़ जाता है। मतलब लिटरली दे प्ले इन 12 to 14 ग्राउंड्स, ओके, जो कि जहाँ पे कम मैच भी होता है। बट अभी क्या होगा ना, 3 ग्राउंड में सीमित हो जाएगा मैच, तो होम ग्राउंड एडवांटेज कुछ रहेगा नहीं, पहला बात है। एंड होम क्राउड
एक तरह से आप देखोगे, वन थिंग इट विल आल्सो हेल्प, क्योंकि प्लेयर्स क्या होता है ना, एक लेग ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट वो लोग एक जगह में खेलते थे, they used to distribute their matches. उनको strategy change करना पड़ता था. They used to have different players for different, kind of grounds, etc. But this time, like you said, 3 grounds, so it's going to make it a bit kind of monotonous. They can try out things at the beginning of the tournament, and by the time they reach towards the end of the tournament, they would have already a settled side which can go into the playoffs.
Yeah.
So
before coming,
I think the Punjab, then Mumbai and Bangalore, they start with slightly disadvantage vis-a-vis other teams. If you look at it in India, normally the where the ball comes to the bat is these are 3 grounds: Mumbai, Wankhede, Chinnaswamy in Bangalore, and Mohali. These are the grounds where ball really comes to the bat and high scoring is possible. Is much better than other grounds. What I meant to say. So Punjab and these teams will have some, because their 7 matches in India were played in high scoring rounds, so obviously they have to kind of slightly adjust, but I don't think that's such a big thing. But ये रहेगा. और एक चीज जो मेरे को लग रहा है कि जो IPL का जो मेजर चीज रहेगा, क्राउड जो फैक्टर है, right, which is a huge factor, that won't be there. So everybody most probably will start from a ground assessment point of view. Most probably all of them will start at par. The other point is that if you look at in IPL, in Sharjah, Abu Dhabi and Dubai, the ground is more or less same. Okay, but Sharjah will be high scoring because Sharjah ground is smaller and Sharjah pitch is much better than Abu Dhabi and Dubai. So I think that's the entire context to the ground, as well as to how the team should shape up in IPL. And now if we go to the team-wise analysis, right?
So before going on the team-wise analysis, let me understand the what you have said about the pitches. तो अगर इस IPL की बात करें तो हर बार जैसा हम देखते थे कि बैट्समैन जो होते थे उनका वर्चस्व ज्यादा होता था किसी भी IPL में, तो इस बार कह सकते हैं कि बॉलर्स लोग ज्यादा हावी रहेंगे बैट्समैन
नहीं, हावी नहीं रहेंगे, थोड़ा इवन स्टीवंस रहेगा.
2020 is a game for batsmen. थोड़ा तो वैसा ही है. That's always
bowler look will have a better say rather than other IPLs which are there.
The first point real quick. See, the one key thing here is all the Indian players. It's about the Indian players, right? 70-80% are Indian players. Most of them have got 0 match practice for like 6 months, 8 months now. So it is going to be a key to see how stroke makers, people who like ball coming to the bat, who want that feel of the ball in their bat, how exactly are they going to be, sort of actually coming on their own and then playing their game. This IPL is going to be different in that sense.
For example, I'll tell Virat won't have such a issue rather than Rohit. Rohit is a much more, he wants ball coming into his bat. He's a much more free.
That is what will be the test of the character, right? I mean, then
even Hardik Pandya,
person like Dhoni.
So
people have criticized Dhoni.
Hit the ball,
but Dhoni, the way Dhoni has shaped up his game, he can now play the waiting game. He knows how to wait for. I have a suspicion that if the pitches play slow, Dhoni might bat actually up the order, like number 4, to take control of the game in such slow pitches where the totals are not too high. I think it makes sense for Dhoni to come up the order, and all along his career we have been saying he should have batted higher up the order. Now his game is also suited to this kind of a scenario where the score is not going to be too high.